All right. In this video, I'm going to explain how to use two algebraic methods to solve a pair of these simultaneous equations. You can see we have a pair of simultaneous equations. 9x plus 2y equals 5 and 7x minus 3y equals 13. So this is a pair of simultaneous equations that we have, and there are two methods that we use to solve this pair. Method number one is known as elimination method, right? First, we look at elimination method, that how we use this to solve this simultaneous equation. Okay, so the pair of equation is 9x plus 2y equals 5 and 7x minus 3y equals 13. First of all, what we have to do over here is that we have two variables. We have two variables, right? X and Y. You can see in both equations, we have two variables, X and Y. As the name suggests, elimination method. The elimination comes from the word eliminate, right? So we are going to eliminate or remove one of these variables, right? Either we will eliminate X or we will eliminate Y. Okay, now, in order to eliminate a variable, what we need to do is that we need to make the two variables. For example, if I want to eliminate y, let's say, so the coefficient of y in the first equation and the coefficient of y in the second equation should be same, right? The coefficient of y in the first equation is 2, whereas in the second equation, the coefficient is minus 3. So these are unequal. They should be same. The coefficients should be same. Number two, the signs of these two terms should be different. One should be positive, other should be negative, right? I repeat one more time. What I said is that the coefficient of y, the coefficient of variable should be same in both the equations, and their signs should be opposite. One should be negative, other one should be positive. So in order to make them equal, in order to make them same, what we do over here is that we can multiply this, the equation above, we can multiply this entire equation with 3. Right? If I multiply this equation with 3, now this equation will become, 3 nines are 27x, 3 twos are 6y, and 3 fives are 15. Similarly, we can multiply the equation at the bottom. We can multiply the equation at the bottom with 2. Now, when I multiply this with 2, what will happen is 2 multiplied by 7x will become 14x, 2 threes are 6y, and 2 times 13 is 26. Now, if you focus over here, you can see that the two variables have the same coefficient and their signs are opposite. So they will be eliminated. 6y minus 6y is 0. Now, 15 plus 26 is 41. 27x plus 14x, this will be again 41x, right? Now 41x equals 41. Now we shift this 41 on the opposite side. It is multiplied over here, so on the opposite side it will be divided. So 41 ones are and 41 ones are. So the value of x that we get from here is 1, right? The value of x is 1. Now we have two equations. We will input this value in any of the two equations. Let's say I pick up this one, 9x plus 2y equals 5. Now in place of x, I'm going to write down 1. So look, 9 times 1 plus 2y equals 5. So 9 ones are 9, 2y equals 5. So 2y equals 5 minus 9. 9 was positive on this side. On the opposite side, it will become minus. Now 5 minus 9 is minus 4. So 2y equals minus 4. Now this 2 is being multiplied with y. So on the opposite side, it will become divide. So two ones are and two twos are. So from here we can say that y is equals to minus 2. So the two values that we get of x and y is x equals 1 and y equals 2.